when Brigadier, at the time Gininda, asked you to assist with taking down a statement, was it for the first time that you had had such a request from him?
Uma icala ke ubabugcina ukuthatha istatement bekuqala mhlambe ke akunikeza ke lo msebenzi ukuthatha istatement.
Specific for him to take a call and call me, it was the first time.
Shuthi ke ngendlela ekhethile uthi yena athathe ucingo angifonele ubeqala ukwenza lokho.
And did you know him as a person before Gininda?
I know him as a police officer, yes.
Yebo bengimazi phambili njengephoyisa ubaba uGininda.
And your testimony is that the suspect that you had to take the statement from was brought by Monaring. Where was this Monaring person based? Do you know?
Yes, he gave me as the person who worked for Metropolis at Edinburgh.
Yebo lona ke umnareni wase ke uyangitshela okanye kwaba nokuthize anginikeza khona ke okumayelana nomsebenzi wakhe usebenzela ke ekuruleni
Metropolis. I don't know this for what, but it's SWAT.
kanti ke ekuruleni Metropolis ngazi ke leli gama elithi SWAT.
Was Monaring in the company of any other police officers?
My lord, I was inside the office, I couldn't see, but it's general knowledge. I don't think he can go alone.
Manje mina bengise office bengaphakathi office bengakwazi ukubona ukuthi uhamba nobani ngaleso sikhathi lo umnareni. Kanti ke kuyiyona nje indlela ejwayelekile ukuthi amaphoyisa ahambe wonke.
Now, can you provide the general physical appearance of that suspect when you saw him for the first time?
Although I don't understand
the general physical appearance.
It was normal. He was appearing normal.
Futhi ke ubekuya nje ngendlela ejwayelekile uma ngiqala ukumbona lo umsolwa obezophana ngestatement sakhe.
Could you also describe the general physical appearance of the clothing that he was wearing?
As I wrote, my lord, the clothing that he was a dark black tracksuit, top, striped t-shirt, TH label, blue jean, made of red bat, and red Cavera shoes.
Njengoba sengishilo ke ukuthi ubefake i-tracksuit emnyama kanti ke efake nayo ke i-t-shirt enama stripe kanti ubefake ne-jean ele-blue le-red bed kanti futhi ke ubefake nezicathulo ke ezibomvu amakhavela.
And because this person, the suspect, hasn't seen you before and you have not seen him before, can you just give a brief description of his demeanor as he was brought into your office?
No, the demeanor was good, my lord. The demeanor was good.
Now, at some stage you say the suspect asked you to loosen up the handcuffs because they were tightly or overly tightened up. Did you, there by the wrist area, see any injuries where he was cuffed?
Yes, my lord. I saw that the handcuffs were tight and then it was, how can I put it, just resting a little bit.
Just
I don't know, discuss what is swollen. Yeah, swollen a little bit. Let me put it like that. The swollen a little bit.
yebo ngike ngabona nje kuhlakala lapha ekuhleli khona ke ozamkosi ukuthi ngathi ubevukele ngenxa yokufaka kwazo lezo ozamkosi.
And did you request, before you interviewed him, the suspect that was brought to you, did you ask to examine him for any other injuries on his body or his person?
No, I didn't ask, my lord.
Azange ngimbuze ukuthi ngabe unawo yini amanye amanxeba emzimbeni wakhe engawabonanga kodwa azange ngimbuze.
I didn't ask to examine about the injuries. I asked about the injuries. He said no injuries, except that one for handcuffs.
O azange ushuthi ke ukumhlolisisa azange ngimhlolisise kodwa ke ukumbuza khona ukuthi ngabe unawo yini amanye amanxeba ngaphandle kwalawo ke awebonakala khona la kuhlakala lokho ngambuza khona.
And the interview with the suspect, was it electronically recorded, either audio, visually, or both?
No, they were not.
Shuthi ke azikho izisetshenziswa ke zokuxosha umsindo okanye lokho kwakwenzeka ngikhathi ngiyobuza imibuzo.
Now, you commenced the interview with the suspect. Did you ask him how old he was?
Although I don't remember,
Nanoma ngasakhumbuli ukuthi ngambuza yini iminyaka yakhe.
specific, I don't remember because I didn't write it down.
Ngaleyo ndlela nje eyikhethile ngoba angibhalanga phansi kusho khona ukuthi mhlambe azange ngimbuze iminyaka yakhe.
Did you ask him his level of education?
Yes, my lord, although I didn't write it down also, I remember I asked him about education. He said he last at a lower level. Didn't even mention the class.
Nanoma ke ngingazange ngakubhala phansi lokho kodwa ke ukuthi uye esikolweni kufika kuphi ke lokho ngambuza khona washo ke ufundile kodwa ke wenze nje amabanga phansi esikolweni ngazange akasho ugrade bakhe.
Did you ask him before the interview commenced what was his physical and mental condition, whether he was ready, capable to do that interview with you?
Can you repeat the question, my lord?
Did you ask him about his physical and mental condition, the readiness to proceed with the interview that you were about to embark on?
Yes, my lord. I asked him whether he's under influence of liquor. Because I saw him that he's a normal person. He said he's not. He last drank a long time ago. That's when I concluded that no, he's fit.
Manje yebo ngike ngambuza lokho ke isimo sakhe somqondo ukuthi ngabe simeme yini ukuthi angaqhubeka ngokwenza ke lesi statement ngoba ngambuza ukuthi ngabe washayile yini amponjwana amanzi wathi cha wagcina kudala ukuphuza ngase ngiyabona ukuthi hayi kulungeleke ukuthi singaqhubeka ukuthi aphane statement sakhe.
Now, before you proceeded with the interview, you then warned the suspect about his constitutional rights, correct?
That's correct, my lord.
Yebo ukuqhubeka ke ngalolu hlelo angokuba siqhubeka ngalo ngamxwayisa okanye ngamnikeza ke amalungelo wakhe ukuya ke ngomthethoseko wethu.
And the rights that you explained, correct me if I'm wrong, this one contained these boilerplate rights that are on the proforma at page 1, correct?
Yes, my lord, as a directive, police.
Yebo, iwona ke amalungelo engingamphethela wona ke njengoba ke evela kule khasi lokuqala. Kanti ke indlela ke esiphoqwa ngakhona ke umthetho ukuthi sisebenze ngakho.
But I added, my lord, that to give me the right that if there is somebody who threatening him, it's also his right to tell me that in order to help him.
Ngaphinde futhi ke ngamnikeza lolo lwazi ke ukuthi angangitshela uma ngabe khona umuntu ke omsabisayo ukuze ke ngikwazi ukumlekelela kuloko kakhulukazi ngoba ezophana ngaso lesi statement ngabe khona omsabisayo yini.
And that interview then proceeds and you use this pro forma, which has got certain preliminary questions, correct?
That's correct, my lord.
Yebo, kwaba nemibuzo ke eza phambi kokuthi ke kuzobhalwa phansi ke lesi statement abezophana ngaso yena. Kanti ke lokho kuvelela khona kule proforma lena esikhuluma ngayo.
My Lord, at this time, because I'm going to go now into the meat of the question and answers, can we then take an early break and return maybe at 1:45? If it's suitable with any.
It's 1:45, my lord, but it never really works because the accused also need enough time to have their meals.
Yeah.
So I'll suggest 2 o'clock.
Okay.
2 o'clock. Okay, 2 o'clock.